Hi, it's Lee Reeves with CountingWorks PRO, and I just wanted to show you another difference between CountingWorks PRO AI Assistant and other tools. So we just had the election very recently, and we've been training our AI knowledge base based on the latest recommendations and proposals and things that came through the election. So I wanted to ask our AI assistant if it could write a comprehensive email for my clients that outlines any possible tax law changes. Many of the other chat bots right now don't even know that an election has occurred. So this is kind of important, but just showing you a little bit here. So I put in a prompt. I'm going to ask our AI assistant to go ahead and put this together. And we're going to say, hey, start thinking about tax planning for years ahead, what sunsetting laws look like, and likelihood of significant tax changes. So as we go, I hope this is well. It's crucial to stay informed. With the recent political shifts, including President Trump's reelection and changes in the Senate and House, we anticipate significant tax law proposals. So then it broke down what are the key areas, potential change, extension, middle class cuts. And again, these are, a lot of this is doing through campaign, whether they happen or not, who knows. But we're basically just trying to keep our clients informed, outreaching, talking about tax planning, aligning with their goals. So just another real quick way to use CountingWorks Pro AI Assistant to get some real significant mileage from your marketing communications. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.